Guys, and welcome back. In this video we have the last video for our website. We will create a footer. Here I can search for but I don't need this. I will go to the code. Here in the HTML I will make a section the class of footer, or footer with the class of footer. Okay, so here I can make I will go to the CSS. The footer, I want this to have a height of 400 pixels and width of 100%, and background color of #222. When I load the page, here I got this. This is enough space for me. Okay, so here I have dev with a class of container, and dev with a class of row, dev with a class of column. Here I can make who are we, and break the line. In here I can make something like paragraph. This to be inside the H4, who are we. Okay, I will delete this bracket. Here I can make we are a company for selling or for technology. Technology is okay. Technology, because I believe the mobile phones are from the technology. Here we just get a small problem here. I can make here with the style of color of white. Great. Here I can make a margin tab of 5. Sorry, not here, in the class. Okay, so here margin tab of 5 and padding tab of 5. This is great. And then I can add I don't know, here I can make HR instead of the break the line. Okay, here to help you to find your best device, whatever it is. Okay, so here I have this part. Okay, I am thinking about what I can add more. It is okay, I will just add the copyright. Here I have I am thinking about it, dev with a class of container and dev with a class of row, and here I can just add here HR, but not here. Dev with a class of col, and let's search for the copyright. This copyright. This one. Okay, paste, copy, write my email address, A with href of Mailto, Yusuf Ayman Zidane at gmail.com, and here class of button, and button 1 I think, and here rule of button, Yusuf Ayman Zidane. When I reload here I got this. let's make this into text center. Okay, how about the color of white, style of color of white. This is great, and this to have style color of white. Okay, you can just 2020. Great. And here margin top of 200 pixels. I think it will be okay. No, we just got a small problem here. I will cut this part here, paste it here. No. What about 170? This is better. Okay, now we are done with this website. We are done with the navbar. We are done with all of that. I just need to fix something here. I want to make the nav for the position of fixed. Position of fixed, width of 100%. In the last website, we knew when I make it just without width, what will happen. When I scroll down, and here we got a small problem, which is the Z index. Here I can make the Z index into 300. When I scroll down, so here I have this. This is great. Now we can edit if you want. You can make the background color if you want, or anything. I can just increase the opacity here to be 859. This is better. Okay, now we are done with this website. Great, great, great. I can just wear the nav, bidding tab of 4 rem. Okay, this is okay. I will leave it like that. Okay, now we are done with this website. All of that. Great. Okay, I'm just testing that everything is okay. Now I will give you a summary for all what we did in this course. Let's start from the getting started. From the getting started, we knew how to use the Bootstrap and use it in our web page, and here we use amazing. The next folder, the layout. We knew how to make the grid system and the columns, how to add this border of line, and how to make this part, how to add the columns, and how to use the sizes of the columns, and how to use this background and this and the grid system. And here for the second one, the content. We knew how to use the content of the Bootstrap, and we knew how to make the table, the colors, and background colors. The fourth one, which was our first project in this course. We have built this project. Here we have the fourth one, which is the form. We have built these forms and we knew how to make all of that using the Bootstrap 5. Okay, the next one I have here is the utilities. We knew how to make all of these parts and how to use the image thumbnail and the image slide, and how to make the width and the box shadow, and how to use these images. Great. And then we were having the helpers. The helpers here, we knew how to make all of that, how to put a video on our web page. After that I have the components. We have did all of that, so I don't need to open this. because it is very big. Then we have made this website, this amazing website, which is Cloud and Sky. And the last thing we have in this course is the mobile shop website. This website, this amazing website. So here I have all of that for this website. Okay guys, now we are done with this course. Good luck and see you in the next course, which is building a total website using the JavaScript, and we will make smooth scroll, and we'll make these changes according to the height of the page, and the website will be amazing using the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap 5, JavaScript and jQuery. Good luck and see you in the next course. Goodbye.